Hello, my dear friends. Today we're going to make the most delicious and healthy bread with chia seeds. Chia is a true superfood, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, antioxidants, and plant-based protein. These tiny seeds help digestion, support heart health, and keep you full for a long time. I add water, mix well, and let the chia absorb it, forming a natural gel that makes the bread moist and airy. Next, I place cottage cheese into a bowl and blend it until smooth. Cottage cheese is an excellent source of protein, calcium, and beneficial fats. It supports strong bones, healthy muscles, and keeps you full without adding heavy calories. I set it aside once it becomes creamy. In a clean bowl, I combine rice flour, baking powder, and a little salt. Rice flour is naturally gluten-free, very gentle on digestion, and perfect for anyone avoiding wheat. It helps create a light, delicate texture in the bread. I add the dry ingredients to the cottage cheese, then mix in the swollen chia gel. After that, I add coconut oil. Coconut oil contains healthy medium-chain fatty acids that support metabolism, digestion, and stable energy levels. It also gives the bread a subtle aroma and beautiful texture. As I begin kneading the dough, I talk about why this bread is so special. It's gluten-free, sugar-free, yeast-free, high in protein, fiber, and healthy fats. It's great for weight balance, gut health, and overall clean eating. It's perfect for anyone who wants a healthy alternative to regular bread. I prepare the baking form, line it with parchment, oil it lightly. Shape the dough, and place it inside. Then I brush the top with a little water and sprinkle a mix of white sesame, black sesame, and flax seeds. Sesame supports bone health thanks to its minerals, while flax seeds provide omega-3s and fiber. After decorating, I bake the bread at 180 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes. While the bread bakes, I prepare the toppings, thinned cucumber slices and quartered cherry tomatoes. They are refreshing, rich in vitamins, antioxidants, and hydration. Altogether, this recipe is a real superfood, light, nutritious, and great for anyone watching their health or weight. It's simple enough to enjoy every day. When the bread is done, I take it out and slice it with a serrated knife. The crust is beautifully crispy, and the aroma of coconut oil and toasted seeds is incredible. Inside, the texture is tender and soft while the outside remains crunchy. Then I start assembling the healthy bruschetta. I spread cream cheese on a slice and top it with cucumber slices, cherry tomatoes, fresh herbs, cheese, and salad leaves. This combination is full of vitamins, healthy fats, protein, and freshness, a wonderfully balanced and delicious meal. To finish, I season everything with sea salt, freshly ground pepper, and a drizzle of olive oil to bring out the flavors of both the bread and the toppings. Finally, I taste the cucumber and cream cheese bruschetta and delicious.